There's the bank chart. We've shown this for 10 years with this collapse here of 4 banks, pretty much all down to the same place. And what a difference in recovery. This is something, of course, Bloomberg has followed for years. The late, great Mark Pittman giving us guidance on the mortgage debacle, and on with Otis Bilodeau and our financial team as well. JPMorgan up here in white, Wells Fargo, the Stagecoach in yellow, Citibank can barely get it going with no lift. And I'll give Brian Moynihan some credit with a lift up here. Christine Harper joins us right now, executive editor of finance, and really someone who's given great guidance to the way we do financial coverage here. What's the nuance in this earnings season?
The nuance, and I think you mentioned this earlier, is the unpredictable James Gorman, who has really managed, against many people's expectations, to turn around that trading business in a way that it's actually outperforming Goldman Sachs, and that's astonishing, even in fixed income. Right. Which is the area that all of the Goldman Sachs leadership is from.
Right.
And by the way, James Gorman has put a bunch of equities people in charge of fixed income, and they're doing a great job.
What's the difference then? And I usually don't do this, folks, but I can get away with this with Christine Harper. What's the difference between Mac trading and Gorman trading? It's been almost a generational shift in the ethos at Morgan Stanley.
Yeah, it's really different.
What is the difference?
Well, when John Mack came into Morgan Stanley, it was the era of, let's take more risk in subprime mortgages. Let's do more leverage lending.
Cinch is nodding. He remembers this.
Yeah, it was, it was all about leveraging up, taking more risks, doing more complex trading.
Right.
And they went big into that, and it didn't work out very well. And as you know, what happened during the crisis. So after that, they had a real come-to-Jesus moment, and they really changed and became a sort of more client-centric and got out of businesses, some of the commodities businesses.
I'll go with that.